is Heshi.
Eichler Boro Park is the biggest Judaica store, which sells everything from books, svarim, Judaica, gifts, tallitot, tzitzis, kaplach, anything Jewish house needs. So I started off 15 years ago in the menorah published books. Today I'm owner of the place. I know there's a lot of rumors on the streets, there was a lot of owners, a lot of things. It did change hands 3 times. It was Eichler's owned it, and after they sold it to someone Blau. Blau sold it to someone Modi Getz. He took up, and I bought it now off from Modi Getz.
Oh wow! So this is the traveling store.
Traveling store, yeah.
And Mi'at Hashem is going to be final by you.
Mi'at Hashem. This is Shlomi. He's in charge of the garment section. That's tzitzis, kaplach, mezuzahs.
Correct.
What do you like most about the job?
Helping out all the customers that come out, that come to us throughout the day.
Okay, keep us
especially the mothers that are coming looking for yarmulkes for their children. We have, as you can tell, hundreds of varieties of yarmulkes. Sometimes it happens a few times. We get sometimes a non-Jew who walks in here and he doesn't know what's what.
Why would he want to come in here?
Just to, browse, sort of, and then he wants to buy something. So sometimes it's on us, me and Didi, who work with.
So you guide him which kippah size he would take.
So what am I supposed to tell him? Take one. Like usually children wear this, or should I give him something maybe that adults wear? So.
Then Batzal, he's here cash customer service.
What do you like most about it?
Try to get people out as fast as possible.
Sometimes it's tough, especially
it could be tough. The long line, but people want to get out. So.
What was the weirdest thing you saw?
Someone come in asking what to do with the tzitzis. A woman, she wants to put it on. Like what blessing to say on it.
Really?
Menachem, customer service.
Customer service in general?
In general, whole store. Engraving, name stamping. We have name stamping same day. We offer same day service. So name stamping.
Nice. I see a whole bunch of WhatsApps coming in, which means people are ordering through WhatsApp.
The WhatsApp, that's one of the ways that people order.
And you would cover that, make sure it's all packed and delivered the same day?
Yeah, we do get customers that order in bulk orders.
Yeah. Get them
Actually, how can I help you?
That is so interesting to me. You are not yet Jewish.
No.
And you run a Judaica section.
Yes.
What is going on? What's the most interesting story you had?
When people come from other countries.
Other countries?
Like Argentina, Brazil.
Oh wow. And then they spoke Spanish to you?
They spoke Spanish,
So you feel at home, they feel at home. This is Rabbi Anthony. So maybe you, Rabbi Javier.
The Spanish rabbi, that's not one of the Jewish people call me.
Yeah, so maybe you, Rabbi Javier.
The new Kiddush cups, fountains in Lucite, those are interesting.
Okay, that's a new item?
Yeah, a new item.
Okay, show me.
Well, you put the wine here.
Yeah.
And you pour it. And they have the Kiddush.
Nice. So every Friday night, I work very hard after my Kiddush to pour for each kid separately. This is a trick, somebody that has several kids, Baruch Hashem. So this is amazing. You just pour it in here. Oh, you pour it in here, right? And then it goes automatically. It fills all the cups, and then the kids don't fight. I have more and I have less. That is amazing.
This is Shulim.
Okay, he does
He's
what?
He's in charge of all the store. I'm helping everyone. Customer service. He looked
Svurim section.
Svurim section, yeah.
So how many aisles do we have here?
We have about 7-8 aisles of Svurim.
What's the most selling? What sells most? I would assume it's the art scroll.
Yes, the Daf Yomi, art scrolls, Mesiftas, all these, the Gemuris, they sell a lot. Mishnah Beriris.
If you know, you know.
Someone came in and wanted a Makruz Gedoylus Chemish, which is all the Mefarshim, everything in English. So I said, listen, hopefully when they make it, maybe we'll make it. I don't know.
Libraries and some yeshivas, besmedish yeshivas, and some yeshivas and schools are our specialty. We focus a lot on that. We give the best service. I mean, we're out there. We do same-day deliveries for them also. All that, and we give good discounts. We work with different funding and discounts and everything for schools.
To get those discounts, they need to call in, or
we have accounts. We have set up. So they come in, they meet me. We set up accounts with them, and they have an online account. They have here. We have approval process online also. That means that teachers can come in, put in orders, and then the administrator or the menal gets like an email for approval, and they have to approve it.
And once it's approved,
once approved, it
Yeah,
gets
maak
here,
de
and
rest.
we get, yeah, that's what we open the same day.
very nice. So die mag sicher alles kommt uns zu shipping.
Da fragst wegen interessant hoor, ich schon gesehen, wo es geht, ja, jail.
Tage.
Ani wordt Sidde mit alles.
Hast du gesehen an Nummern, die weiß wer, oder du hast keine Ahnung? Die legst du schon an.
Besser mal retten, aber ich habe gesehen, eine Nummer mit der
Wow.
Nummer.
They're allowed to order from jail stuff?
Yes, we have a lot of requests. A lot of requests they order books, but they ask us to take with the cover. They now do hard covers.
Who? In jail, they're not allowed to do hard
right,
covers.
so they put in requests to take off the cover, remove the covers.
So you have people that order from jail on a regular
I just
basis?
had what was it? It was Sunday. Sunday someone came in and ordered the whole, I mean he donated. He ordered a bunch of spoons, just came a new cipher for jail ever.
All hard books off. All hard covers
all hard
off.
covers.
This is for Babad.
Yiddish. The Yiddish and the Witz, beide. Du schon Kurdisch.
Wie alt ist das schon?
Die Jiddische ist rausgekommen, der erste Mal, 14 Jahre zurück. Aber es ist, jetzt ist
Wie viel Zeit bist du gesessen auf der Chibbe?
21 Jahre.
Keine Haare. Wow, schkoich von dem.
Ja, der Ruf hat mich der erste Mal gefragt, was ich mache auf Jiddisch. Aber ich gesagt, das ist
Der Melamde.
ja, mit auf Jiddisch.
In noch wie viel Zeit hast du genommen der Russen Kurdisch?
Nicht so viel, 3-4 Jahre, kann ich.
Was du weil du schon
Ja,
gehabt,
habe ich immer gemacht.
Ah.
Aber es ist doch, ich will zu arbeiten, ja.
So these are all the new books, new arrivals of English.
Correct, yeah.
Okay. Oh, Rabbi Fig de Miller, what's this?
Yeah, this
I
just
get
came
nog
out.
wat voor me van.
Yeah, this is a series. This is the fifth volume from this series.
Aha. So the fifth
Yeah.
volume is here, but all the rest are
On the shelf,
on
yeah.
the shelf. So how many aisles
So
do
here we
for
have all
English
the
books?
different categories. We have about 8 aisles, I think. We have mezuzahs, we have cookbooks, self-help, biographies, history, short stories, novels, young adult, and children's.
There's a whole section for no comics.
This is all brand new comics that came in for Yom Tov.
There are 150 new titles for Yom Tov.
150 new
New
titles
titles
for
for
you.
Yom
The
Tov.
titles means new books.
New books.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have a mic.
So you have a
Comics
lot
for adults. Anthony, you want it? Comics
So
for
it started,
adults.
comics for adults actually started by Kichels.
Right, Kichel was the first one.
I think
yeah.
Kichels were the first.
So this in Yiddish.
And now, oh, I can do the Yiddish one.
A couple weeks before Yom Tov, customers come in, like you said, your mother comes to buy for the Eichler. We can't go for Zoe.
Mamish.
Finnef nine books.
Kichels has the most dating spot in Boro Park.
Dating spot?
Yes, for meeting from like mother-in-laws to college before.
Fashidichin.
Shadichin.
It's called.
So it's called Lodio.
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 Like loading audio?
It's for loading audio, yeah.
Nice. Okay, so what? Tell me about it.
Yeah. So it started out mostly for Shiram, and now we downloaded all music CDs as well. We have our own collections of music and Shiram. We also sell the devices and the USBs, SD cards, the cases, and accessories. Yeah.
So if someone that Baruch Hashem, most people don't want to have smartphones, and they still want to have access to the shi'irim and the music.
Yeah.
I see a Zing device. What is that?
Yeah. So the most popular company is Green Touch now.
Okay, show me this one. Oh, they're all
all
Green
these
Touch.
are Green Touch.
What's
yeah.
the difference between all of these?
So there are a lot of different features. This one has a touchscreen with more or less space, with SD card or without an SD card.
Uh-huh.
I like the place, so when I was out there, so I was taking a look inside. So
Yeah, it's a bookstore.
Yeah.
Try it on. This is this hat. Look, Anthony, what do you say? It's nice.
what does that mean if I read this?
This is the covering that all the Jews have. This is Francisco, and he takes care also from the toys, right?
Yeah.
What do you like most about this place?
The fact that everything is organized and like we have everything under control. So like,
So you've been seeing interesting things.
yeah, a lot of interesting things.
Give me something most interesting, most crazy.
And like I noticed like multiple cultures have some people that become in Jerusalem. So,
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that kind of surprised me a bit too.
Oh, nice. As you can say, Gajim. Like converts, right? People who converted to Judaism.
Yeah.
Anthony, if you consider, you're going to stay a rabbi. It doesn't matter.
This is when people come in here, they ask for anything and anything. We are Eichler, we are the apartment store for Judaism, you should have anything, even shirts, belts, shoes, anything, you name it, they come and ask for it over here.
Oh, what was the most remote place you can remember? Somebody came from Alaska?
From China they come, from...
Really?
Yeah. Jews, non-Jews, they come from everywhere in the world.
Because you never know when Hashem's testing you on.
Exactly.
Whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, Hashem.
Exactly.
Always have a stamp on your face, and let's have a shiach sooner rather before we know it.
Amen. Together.
Ami Sochai.
Every sentence he finishes.
Ami Sochai.
Ami Sochai. Every sentence he finishes, he says, "I love that."
That's mouth. Be my friend, unfortunately, but I'm not saying their names on camera because it doesn't hurt not to, or does. Yeah, but.
This is a receiving room.
Receiving room.
This is where everything comes, all the boxes, all the orders, all the companies.
All the orders arrive here.
Everything arrives here, we receive everything. Labeling, stickering.
Oh, okay. This is where packing goes on.
Yeah.
So, okay, very nice. This is interesting.
Check.
A lot of packing material. We have all sizes boxes. Right?
Yeah. He's the guy behind
shopeichler.com.
He's the guy packaging. So that's where the boxes, they come here, so he knows it's ready.
Oh,
It
somebody
downstairs.
already ordered an esrog pishke. Esrog is the fruit that we have with the lulav, the shaking thing on Sukkot. You know about it? So he already ordered
So
a
he
nice
ordered,
piece.
he ordered.
Oh, this is another order. Look.
No, this is the same thing. So he has to package up. Yeah.
This is the lulav and the esrog. This is a whole package. He's gonna have a short lulav, or unless this goes long.
It goes long. It's double. It's folded.
It's double size, folded. Oh, this is a nice thing. I already have 3 gifts that I need when I'm leaving. Anthony, remind me. And this thing is nice. shopeichler.com. Look at this, Rabbi Anthony. These are the boxes.
UPS.
Yesterday's UPS. Oh,
To make sure.
Eichler.
Yeah.
Rabbi Anthony, you can choose a bunch of things here. Look, this is pretty savvy.
Go ahead, take out some more.
Yeah, let's see more.
Types.
Oh, look at this one. I think you would choose this one.
Yeah.
So the thing is, here we keep it for online.
Pink ones.
Sure.
Oh, so this is online. It's Army. Oh, wow. So there's a big selection here.
Cars, trucks.
White keepers. Ah, trucks. See, this is the real thing. We have a 5D Mark IV. Look at this.
This were the pictures for Svarm. Svarm is almost there's no organized pictures for Svarm. So all Svarm comes in. Here you have the new Svarm come in.
Oh, so every new book that comes in gets
every
a
new
picture.
Gets in.
We're in the basement. Not sure what's going on.
Yeah, so this is where we keep it, the stack of all the items. You saw all the gift items and everything. So anyone knows we have a...
This is more stock.
It's a fully stacked warehouse of everything.
There's a map.
There's a map.
There's an exact map.
Everything organized.
There's salt holders, matchboxes, napkin holders, kiddush cups. Find something interesting. Here we have a challah. Yeah, what is this called?
Challah boards.
Challah board with silver inside.
I'm seeing customers. A customer called me up that he's looking for a cipher that's a set and he wasn't able to find. He called up every Judaica store and we managed to get it for him. We have a lot of connections, a lot of vendors. We deal with a lot of people and we're able to service him. And we found it and give you voice notes. He left that, it's amazing how he called up all Judaica, no one had it and we were able to get it for him.
Amazing.
Yeah, so such type of things. I mean, again, as I said, schools and yeshivas, purchasing the whole libraries and all the books for everything, and that's
amazing.
The most satisfying thing. And innovation will come. We have a bunch of new ideas coming up, a bunch of new projects going to be having now, and each one we're exciting to when the idea comes up and the execution and yeah.
Amazing. I'm excited. I was here today. I did not think there's so many different kind of sections and so many different kind of people and so many different kind of departments. I was very surprised. Interesting. Rabbi Anthony, did we learn a lot?
Yeah.
L'chaim.